Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening the exact HTML file you will edit. Make sure VS Code has the project folder loaded. Next, create or link a CSS file, or add a style block inside the head so styles apply immediately. You want Emmet and IntelliSense active to speed typing. These tools suggest selectors and help avoid syntax errors. Once done, position the cursor inside the selector you will change and get ready to add font rules. Now you write the CSS rule. Choose the selector that targets the text, body, H1, or a class, then add font family with your preferred fonts and fallbacks. If using a Google font, insert the link or add import at the top of your CSS and include font display for performance. You can also set font weight and font style to control variations. Make sure to save the CSS file and that the HTML references it. This ensures the new font loads and displays in the browser. Finish by saving everything and reloading the page. Do a hard refresh to avoid cached fonts. If you still don't see changes, open DevTools and inspect the computed style to confirm which font is applied and whether web fonts loaded. If a font failed, check the path, MIME type, CORS rules, and spelling in the family name. These are common culprits. Once fixed, reload if issues persist. Temporarily swap to a native fallback to verify CSS specificity is correct.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.